my mirror just fell over. Hi, hello. We got IPSY. Let's just jump right into it. What the heck? This is the bag. It's very kind of summery, isn't it? Except it's January. What are we doing? This seems like something that looks like a pool bag or something. Okay, whatever. The bag's not important. The first thing in here, this is a brush by Luxie. It is a small contour brush. Okay. I have a few Luxie brushes. I think they've all come from IPSY though. This feels really nice. It's very soft. It's a nice size. I could definitely see it doing some good. And the handle is really nice too. And also look at it. It's got like, you see that? That's weird. But I don't know if that's supposed to, like, your finger goes there. I don't know. I mean, or your thumb maybe. I have no idea what the purpose of that little divot is for, but it's cool. And then we have Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. So there's not really any like instructions on here. It just says if you have sensitive skin, you probably shouldn't massage it. Ew. That is not pink. It's like a gray almost. I don't know. Very exfoliaty though. It's called Sand and Sky, so I don't know if there is actual sand in here. Kind of looks like it though. Who would have thought? Next in here, this is Glam & Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Nude Glow. Oh, are you coming in here now?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring your chair over. You're welcome. All right, here's our co-host. Anyway, I guess this is just a moisturizer. It kind of has like a subtle highlighty glow to it. I don't know, maybe we'll try it on the cheeks today, just for like the most subtle of subtle glows you could ever possibly have. Next. Oh my goodness, look at this color. This is the Prickly Pear Lip Gloss by Laga. Do you see that color? Holy moly. Oh my god, it smells so good. Do you want to smell it, Sparrow? Smell good?
Yeah.
I don't know about this color though. That's a lot. It's a lot. And the last thing in this bag, this is I Do Liquid Eyeliner by IPSY London. That's a brand I've never heard of. Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm excited. You like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's everything in our IPSY bag. What we have to try out today is this bronzing, contouring brush, this lip gloss, and this eyeliner. Okay, let's do it. So I just have this pure Bronze and Brighten palette. I'm gonna just take our little new brush and dip it in and see what happens.
Hey, what are these colors?
It's makeup.
The makeup?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 3 colors.
There's 3 colors, yep.
2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
I like your cheek.
You like my cheek?
Yeah.
Thanks. I like your cheeks too.
Oh, yeah.
As far as this brush goes for like a contouring brush, I think it's okay. Like the quality of the actual brush is nice, but it's just like, I guess it's just not my favorite like shape of a contour brush, you know? I like an angled brush better.
I really like.
Quality's nice, not my favorite shape. That's pretty much all I have to say about that. I'm gonna throw on some blush and then we'll try using this as a little bit of a highlight. I gotta go get a blush brush though. I'll be right back. Did you say I'm right here again?
Yeah.
Our BoxyCharm video, she watches like on repeat. What the heck was that? Well, she watches it on repeat because she just thinks she's so funny. You are funny, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're a funny girl. I'm gonna try to put a little bit of this on my cheeks, just with my finger. Yeah, my cheeks. I'm not anticipating this to be life-changing or wonderful in any way, shape, or form, but so first of all, this stuff smells like bubblegum. Straight up bubblegum. It's amazing. I love it. As far as the highlight goes, it's actually better than I was expecting. It's just kind of it's just sort of nice, you know? Not my style, but I guess it's nice for someone who doesn't like to have a blinding highlight. But I mean, yeah, you can see it a little bit right there. There's a little bit of a reflection. It's kind of nice. But the smell. Yeah, do you want to smell it?
Yeah.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Smells like bubble gum.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna throw a highlight on over this though because y'all know me. I like a blinding highlight, honey. That's better, yeah. Here we go.
Is that better?
Much better.
Much better!
So the next thing to try is gonna be this liquid eyeliner. So I'm not really ever the biggest fan of this kind of like felt tip. I'm always more of like, I really like the dip and swoop little brush kind of thing. These just never do it for me. I feel like it's just never as fluid. Not to say that the formula and stuff isn't good. I'm sure it's fine. Well, I say that, but I've been fooled before. Ciate London, I'm looking at you. Once it's on, it looks nice and maybe it'll last all day. And if it does, then great. And also I feel like just this size, like this sample size, is not gonna last me very long, but it's IPSY, so you get what you pay for, I guess. Last thing, this is the most exciting thing. Let's go. What a nice little just pink tint. That is so cute. And of course I love this because, I mean, obviously someone living in Arizona in the middle of the desert, prickly pear is everywhere out here. And for the most part, I like everything that's prickly pear. Like if you've never had prickly pear cactus candy, oh my God, it's so good. If you ever go to Arizona, go to any tourist gift shop and they'll have it. It's so good. They're like little jellies made out of prickly pear cactus fruit. Oh, it's so good. But yeah, and that's what this smells like. Oh, it's so good. A lot of times like Mexican restaurants and stuff, I mean out here anyway, I would assume other places too, they have like prickly pear margaritas and stuff. If you've never had it, you really should because it's so good. But yeah, I love this. I wonder how much the full size of this runs for because I would use this all day, every day. I love it. This is one of those things where I'm like, why do you have to send me the sample sizes? Why? I want to hold two to this. It's so great. And it's cute. It's subtle. It doesn't look subtle, but it is. All right, guys, that is my IPSY bag for the month. IPSY sent, you know, they always send a little card, and on the back here, it says that they're coming out with the Glam Bag Plus, which comes with full-size stuff. Okay, IPSY. I'll have to look into that. If it's something that I can afford, unlike Boxy Luxe, which I do really want to get, but it's like, what is it, an extra 30, 40 something a month? Like, I can't afford that right now. Someday, maybe. If it's not like super overpriced like that, not overpriced, you know what I mean. Maybe I'll look into it, because that sounds fun. As far as my products go, I'm like half and half, kind of like, love this, love this. I'm sure this will be okay, but I don't know. This is okay, this is okay. There you go. This stuff too makes a really nice highlighter base because I feel like I'm like glowing like a goddess, and it's because it helped my like good highlighter stick really nice. But yeah, I could just sniff it all day. Is it penicillin or amoxicillin? I think it's amoxicillin that smells like bubblegum. It's exactly what this smells like. It's so good. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you whenever I see you. Got a new Sims video coming out soon, so I'll see you then. Bye!